Hey my chat partners, welcome back to my chat session. So it's Saturday, just at home washing my hair. I usually wash my hair on Sunday, but I was actually off today, so I decided to go ahead and wash my hair and let it air dry because I'm not doing anything today. I'm not going anywhere today. It's gonna be one of them days where I just stay in, get me some rest, regroup, think, just do some self-reflection. I'm the type of person when I wash my hair, it can be an all-day process. And the reason why it can be an all-day process because I love to leave conditioner in my hair for like a long time. Suave moisturizing shampoo. I also have the Suave conditioner. And I'm going to deep condition my hair. It helps thicken and strengthen with aloe vera, protein, and shea butter. Rebuilds and help repair damaged hair. Promotes thick, strong, healthy hair. I'm suffering from thinning hair, thinning up in the areas here. So I just wanted to try this. Once I'm done using the Suave shampoo and conditioner, I think what I'm gonna do is just buy the Do Grow shampoo, conditioner, thickening mask. I'm gonna just use the whole kit. My mom had suggested I use the Do Grow grease to help thicken my hair. If you guys have any suggestions or any products, any vitamins, or maybe any foods I can eat that can help me, that'll help thicken my hair back up, really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm just washing my hair right now. Morning I got up around 7, so I cooked breakfast and everything. So I'm just gonna make this like a Saturday video, what I did on my Saturday off. Just filming it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and rinse this out. And I'll come back and touch base with you guys in 1 minute. I'm getting ready to add the conditioner to my hair. My hair is thinning. Been doing it like the last year or so. It's like thinning up in here and it's bothering me some, but get through it and make it work. I need to go see a hair doctor to see what could be going on. Just a regular box dye, nothing special, nothing green. I did it for years. But when my daughter graduated high school, I was like, I had to go all out, y'all, because get this graduation the bomb, because it's my only child. My baby graduated high school. I was just a proud moment in my life, so. But anyway, so I had wanted to get my hair dyed, and I was like, I want to like change it up just a little bit. She owns a hair salon. She dyes hair. I was like, okay. So I got her card, and what I did was I made an appointment with her, and I got my hair dyed. She needed to do a lift and stuff, so I don't know. She put like quite a few things in my hair, and I got my hair dyed. And it was like kind of a lighter color. And I don't know, like it seemed like ever since then it has been shedding, but I'm not going to say it was because I got my hair professionally dyed. Like I said, I don't know. It could be genetics because I have one of my brothers and my father, they was thinning at a young age. So it could be just hereditary. So I haven't had a perm in probably about 14 years or so. I don't know, y'all. It's been a minute. It's been years since I had a perm, so I don't get perms. So most of the time the most I do to my hair is wash it, blow dry it, and flat iron it. Or I just wear it curly, so I guess you could say I got natural hair. I don't know. Y'all, my dog, I don't know if y'all can hear that licking and that noise in the background, but my dog in the bathroom with me. And me and my dog, we just been up in the house chilling. But it's like crazy because I do notice that like if I'm having a conversation with somebody at home or if I'm talking to my dog, like, do she be talking back to me? And I look my dog, she'll look at what I'm saying, then she'll start looking at the person and what they understand what we talking about, and is she giving her opinion? Is she agreeing with what we talking about? So I'm wondering, like, just like I'm talking to y'all, I'm sitting up here talking about her, and I'm talking to y'all about how I wash my hair and stuff, but she probably thinking like, girl, yeah, if you try this. Amazes me just the things she does sometimes. The Discovery Channel, some antelopes or whatever you call them, the little animals out there. And like when a lion, a tiger, or a hyena get to it, and it be with the herd, but the herd run, but that one be back along, but you can see some other ones standing over to the side, and it's like, that must be their family member. Like, I know they be like thinking, dang, we want to save it, but we can't be mourning just like we do. That's why I be thinking, like, sometimes if I see a bug in the house, y'all gotta kill it. So I'm like, I know their family probably miss. I don't know. I wonder if y'all wanted the same thing. Y'all probably like, this girl is crazy. But I don't know, I just be thinking about stuff like that versus thinking about mean stuff or why, when people do bad, it make you wonder why. But it's sometimes you can't really think about that because it'll suck all your energy out of you and drain you and be like, you know what, I can't even go there with that person because I ain't trying to go in the dark. I know I'm crazy, y'all, but anyway, thank y'all for listening to this rambling, this rant, this all the subject topic I'm sitting up here talking about. Thickening, repairing that. I probably get that in there for about 2-3 hours. Probably finna cook up some lunch, aka dinner or whatever. Because I probably could eat a frozen meal for my lunch, but what I'm gonna do is just cook up dinner and go and have that ready for later on the day, so I ain't gotta worry about that. Fold these clothes. But I really need to get it together. I need to make me a list and come up with me a gym schedule, because I really need to start working out, get in shape, lose weight, and get my whole life together, inside and out. And I'll touch back with y'all a little bit later. All right, bye guys. With the deep cleaning astringent from Clean and Clear. And then I will be adding the Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum to my under eye. And to top it all off, I'll use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. What I do on a Saturday on my day off, or not so much as what I do on a Saturday on my day off, what I did this particular Saturday on my day off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and hit that like button. Always remember, you guys are awesome. I really appreciate everyone. Take care, guys. Bye.